Welcome back to Daily English Vocabulary with Shelley. This is my Lesson 3, where you'll learn 5 useful English words to boost your speaking and writing skills. Let's get started. Word 1. Serene. Meaning: calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Our first word is serene. It describes something peaceful and quiet. Let's see it in action. The lake looked serene under the morning light. Her serene expression made everyone feel at ease. Word 2. Elated. Meaning: extremely happy or joyful. Next we have elated. It's a great word to express extreme happiness. Try using it like this in daily conversation. He was elated after hearing the news of his promotion. The children were elated to see the snow for the first time. Tvåsiku. Word 3. Tedious. Meaning: too long, slow, or dull. Tiresome. Let's move on to tedious. You can use this word when something feels boring or never-ending. Here are some examples you can use in everyday situations. The lecture was so tedious that half the class fell asleep. I find washing dishes a tedious chore. Word 4. Diligent. Meaning: showing care and effort in work or duties. Now, let's talk about diligent. Use it to describe someone who works carefully and consistently. Check how it fits into writing and speaking. She is a diligent student who always completes her homework on time. The team worked diligently to meet the deadline. Sapanchan. Word 5. Ambiguous. Meaning: open to more than one interpretation, unclear. And finally, we have ambiguous. It's perfect for describing confusing or unclear situations. Let's look at how it works in context. His answer was ambiguous and confused the entire group. The instructions were ambiguous, leading to many mistakes. Great job! You've just learned 5 powerful words to enhance your English vocabulary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick lessons. See you in Lesson 4 with 5 more words.